Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the app and your account details ready. This saves time. Open Google Play, install MetaTrader 5, and then sign in with the broker server name exactly as provided. Once done, choose Demo if you want practice or live to trade real funds. Make sure notifications and storage permissions are allowed so templates and charts save correctly. This first step gets you into the trading environment quickly and prevents connection errors later on. You now connect to your broker and configure charts because that's where decisions happen. Tap Accounts, find and select the broker server, then log in. Connection bars show status. Next, open a market chart, pick a time frame, and change chart type for clarity. Add indicators like moving averages or RSI, tweak periods to match your strategy, and save the layout as a template. Once your charts and indicators are set, you'll read price action more reliably and prepare for orders. You finish by placing and managing trades with precision. Tap New Order, choose Market or Pending, set volume, then add SL and TP before you submit. This controls risk. After opening a trade, monitor it in the Trade tab, modify SL/TP or close partially if needed. Save successful chart templates for reuse. If something goes wrong, app can't connect or orders fail, first check the server selection and your internet. If that doesn't work, clear cache or reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.